My name is Annikhil. I am studying in 9th class. Today I am explaining about topic power supplying to homes. Black wire name is neutral, and red wire and yellow wire name is phase. Green wire and is earth. But we can also use blue color for earth. Green wire is in during thunderstorms and in some cases unless current is flow through the circuit which passes by the green wire to the earth. Red wire and black wire passes from the meter. Only red wire passes through a socket. They should not positive, negative and earth wires necessary important. Meter can hold 240 volts from the current pole. It passes through the whole house to the wires. Meter can hold 240 volts can the current pole and this is fuse can help to save electronic components from the fuse current. Thank you.